Hi, this is Tibi at the Sensorica lab. I uploaded the firmware to the device, the breathing game device, and I'm just gonna give it a try. So I have the tube is already connected to the box, and I have it connected with a USB cable on my computer. And here's the monitoring of the pressure that comes through the Arduino IDE. So in essence shows that the hardware works and the firmware also works very well, ready to be connected to a game. New thing, we installed an LED inside the box. So as you blow into the tube, the intensity is going higher and higher, proportional to the pressure. So we can monitor both signals on the screen and on the LED. There we go. So we have two visuals. One, it's the real data, and the other one is just a rough intensity visual, and the LED is not connected to the microcontroller, is just hardware driven, and even if the microcontroller stops working, that red LED will still give you an indication about the pressure. There we go, everything works, so we can give it to somebody to connect it to game. Hope you have a nice day.